Once upon a time, I played with Legos. These were the colors available, some of them in limited availability. The shapes of the bricks were fewer. The Lego sets I grew up with are now seen as retro. Now, these are just some of the colors available. Bricks come in far more different kinds of shapes, and the Lego sets are now much more detailed. Aside from a few occasions, I haven't touched a Lego brick for 2 decades, but I have seen Lego sets evolve towards a real-world design approach over the years. I noticed this when the Lego group gained the license to Star Wars. Lego sets were designed to resemble the ship seen on screen. Prior to this, sets were displayed with the standard Lego brick as the basis of the design aesthetic. As plastic molding technology improved, more shapes and colors became available to better resemble defining characteristics of various licensed properties. For the most part, I ignored color and built in a mishmash of color combinations. However, celebrated Lego creations display a mastery over color. All this to ask, what am I capable of? Can I adapt to the modern design standards? I have never been great with color. In the past, when there were fewer options, it was easier to combine them with reckless abandon. With all the options, will color break me? My major goal is to submit and display a Lego creation at a Lego convention. As a minor goal, I would like to retrace my steps and create a castle combining my old sensibilities with new building techniques. Will there be a clash between retro and modern? The result will inform my major goal. Along the way, I'll be purchasing sets and see how the pros use bricks that I am not familiar with. In the past, I purchased sets that made buildings and vehicles of some type. The modern versions might be able to help me bridge the differences of design eras. I'm also interested in sets that construct a creature. The creature sets are becoming more numerous and can accurately represent the intended subject. I want to learn how I can use such sculptural techniques in my builds. I do intend to use minimal editing in order to show the process of design and creation. With the work schedule, it would be easier to just show the end result, but I want to have fun along the way, document and share the developmental process. The channel introductions are the only videos that will be scripted. Everything else will be spontaneous. I have filmed a few videos and already there is an audio issue in one of them. The edited solution maintains the creative discovery and is blatant with the editing intrusion. I do not want to mislead people. Good design is not magic, but an art that is practiced. So welcome to the Ponderous Brick Thinker. I hope you stick around, enjoy the journey, and we'll see how the goals end up.